eat and we will eat, so that we will have our health well. Very healthy horse.